Today we're going to soup up the Buddy 50. So last we left off with that bike, we did the naked bars, we did the full disc brake setup with the forks, we did this rear cage setup as well. Super nice stuff from NCY. So we don't have a headlight yet. We gotta find a solution for that because Trail Tech quit making them, which is a major bummer, but I need to get something for that bike. So there's no headlight yet. What we also did was we bought another brand new Buddy 50 here, and we've got a brand new Rough House 50 as well. So Rough House, we're gonna do a off-road knobby theme on this bike, and that one is gonna be something totally different. So this would be a good comparison to show you guys a Buddy 50. We're gonna start with a really basic kit, probably like a Malossi cast kit or a Polini or an NCY cylinder with an NCY pipe. Stock carburetor, jet it, get the CVT dial, put together a nice little package for you guys, and then we can run that against this bike, and you guys can see a side-by-side difference of the gains that you're gonna get with $400 or $500 worth of parts. So far, super excited about these bikes. Again, this one's gonna be something totally custom. We're gonna go all out on that guy. This one we're just gonna dirt bike and beat the crap out of. And that guy, we're gonna get going fast. So stay tuned and we'll get this thing dialed in for you.
I think we have to wait for good clearing.
BMW owner almost took you out.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the race?
This one plus the stock one is fun. Yeah.
That brings out the color in your eyes. So if you guys want to live across the street from our shop, I wouldn't advise it. You can buy these houses right here. One can be yours for $440,000. That's right, 440 grand for houses right across from the noisiest scooter shop. These two dudes here are gonna go ahead and Carter's clearing the pipes there. Chris is warming up the tires, getting ready to be in race mode here. Both these guys are clocking in at 220 to 235 pounds depending on the corn dog intake per week. Green bike is 100% stock. The red bike is a 70cc kit. 70cc kit, pipe, stock carburetor, stock clutch, just some very, very basic CVT mods. So, and they're off. Oh, watch out. BMW drivers.
The Visa card and the MasterCard. Both of them have two.
Start yelling.
About 25%. My balance is about 25 to 30%. It's maybe like, I don't really know how these things work too much, but it says something about 35%.
What do you say?
I said I don't really know, like with credit cards, they kind of, if I look at them, they kind of confuse me a little bit, so.
See here that you are a good consumer. You pay your bills on time. You never miss any payment.
Yeah, I'm a good boy.
Right. You said you have a Visa card, right?
Yeah, my Visa card has the highest balance, I'd say.
Oh, all right, no problem, sir. And do you have any idea how much you owe on that Visa card?
Yeah, like I said before, it's about 35%.
Oh my God, it's too high, right?
But if I only have 3%, then I won't have any money on there for buying my consumer stuff. I need at least 35 to 40% to be able to actually buy anything, right? Like, what if I want to buy something that's 40 or 50%? Then I won't be able to. No, I know, but like, I understand it. Right now, I can purchase things that cost 3%, but I need to. But what if like I need to make a big purchase that costs 50%? So I would like a card with a higher interest percent to be able to buy more expensive things. Like right now, I've only been buying inexpensive things, and it makes me kind of feel bad. Sir?
Okay.
Fuck. He realized right there.
He's like, okay. Alright, so this is the second race I should call it. Check the American flag out back there. Anyways, so this is going to be the longer distance. I'd say it's about 8th mile-ish, so they're gonna start down there and you'll see kind of the distance put between them starting that far away. All right, so here they come. See Carter in the front, Chris behind him. So there you go, give you an idea on difference on accelerating. This is a very, very, very basic kit. Again, mostly your stock CVT, your stock variator. We're using the stock clutch. So there are gonna be more gains to be had. There will be more gains to be had, I should say. If you wanna do a aftermarket clutch, a variator, and all that good stuff, you're gonna pick up more speed and a carb, of course, but our plan here is to offer packages that are easy and they cater to certain people. So this package would be something if you just wanted a turnkey go bike, very easy to tune, no BS, just buy the kit. We're also gonna provide instructions with this kit, okay? They'll tell you how to jet it, where to jet it. Another good thing to add to this kit would be a temp gauge, but not required. However, it is a good thing to do. We're just not trying to build a package that gets out of control as far as expense goes. So we're not here to sell you things that you don't need. So this is basically the bare minimum that you would need to get a good amount of speed out of this bike while retaining reliability, low sound levels because you've got your stock airbox on. The pipe is a really clean, crisp sounding pipe. If you don't know about Yasunis, they're made in Spain. They're killer pipes. You guys probably hear me say that all the time. But anyways, you cannot just buy a regular Yasuni pipe and bolt it onto this bike. You cannot buy a regular Yasuni pipe and bolt it onto a big bore kit. We have to modify the bracket. We have to make some custom spacers to make this thing fit properly. Again, we're gonna provide instructions, and no, we will not send you instructions and the parts list for you to buy this stuff on Amazon or eBay or whatever. We've got about a day and a half into testing all these products to get this exact package put together. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, let us know. These things rock, they're a ton of fun, and they're really cheap. So check you later. What are you doing, Carter?
Whew! I'm trying to bypass heart attacks.
What are you drinking?
Illicit Rebel energy drinks. Dutch Bros.
How's it make
I
your
don't know
heart?
if we're allowed to show these.
How's it make your heart feel?
Not so good.